kitty, kitty. Oh, you're so cute. This is how we try to get them not to climb up on the back when we're doing cat litter. Oh, that's so cute. And down the bed. Down the bed. Come on, everybody.
Of course, maybe is the one with the most diaper, I swear.
Nope, we don't climb the leg to come up. Whoops.
My baby.
Oh, I got another one climbing the legs. Here we go.
I love you.
You guys are so cute. I wonder where the other cream could be. And little Gray wants to jump on me to climb up. He's a smart little dude. Oh, careful. They are so cute. All these little eyes.
You get a couple of cats over there, huh?
Just so cute.
I like how they assemble really good together. That's why I like having moms that are of the same lineage.
Yes.
Because their babies just seem to get along really well.
I agree. Oh, so cute.